Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back once again. And today I have another Skymarks model for you guys. This is a plane that I have not received in model form yet. This is the Boeing 787-8 from American Airlines. So I'm super excited to get into this. This is my first ever 787 model and my second ever American Airlines model. I'm not the biggest fan of American Airlines, but I love their livery and they look pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this and put it together. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. So I got this package from Amazon and I paid only $27 with free shipping for this, so it's a really good deal. Pretty minimalistic protection there, but here's the plane right there. Looks very, very nice. Set that aside and get the box out of the way. So, alright. This is 1 to 200 scale. The 787-8 Dreamliner. Looks really nice. Here's the registration. November 800 Alpha November. And let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. There's the fuselage right here. It's stuck here, hang on. There we go. Oh, it looks really nice. This is my first model in the new American Airlines colors. I love the tail that they have. I remember seeing the first time a plane painted in these colors at the airport, and I was super impressed with it. So, here's the wing. Pretty much just an all-white piece of plastic. And here's the other wing. I love the wing flex of the 787. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Stabilizers in the stand is right here. So again, 787-8 American Airlines. Put that together and set this to the side. And let's get out the stabilizers. And this one goes over here. And finally, the engines. And I love the 787 and the 747-8's engines. I love how it has the kind of the spikes at the rear of the engine. I think that looks really cool. Well, there they go. There's one. And finally, the last engine. Alright. Wow, that looks really nice. Set it on the stand here and let's take a look. So here is the plane. I never really noticed this on the actual American planes themselves, but you can kind of see like on the body of the fuselage, you see like the paint is kind of has a grayish look to it. I don't know if that's actually on the actual planes themselves or if that's just the result of the resin and the printing. But nonetheless, this looks really, really nice. It's the same for the engines as well. It looks the same as the fuselage. The engines are sort of discolored. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're more of like almost a tan color. I don't know if it's like that on the actual plane either, but there we go. And then the wings are pretty much all gray or a whitish color. So there's not a whole lot of detail. This is probably one of the lesser detailed Skymarks models that I've gotten, but I still like this model. It looks really, really nice. It's just not as detailed as the other ones I've received, but I'm not complaining. It looks really good. There's the cockpit windows, front door, American titles right there with the logo, and then the fan blades do spin on this one, and then again, the registration and the American tail. On the bottom, nothing but just a white fuselage. I see these all the time passing over my house since my home is kind of right in the pathway for European heavies from O'Hare. so I can look at them through my telescope and see what they are. So it's pretty cool, and I always see these pretty much every day. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and find a spot for this, and I'm gonna show you guys so far what my airplane collection looks like. Alright, so please excuse this mess right here, but we're gonna go ahead and grab this model and put it up onto this shelf right here next to my previously unboxed Delta 747-400. So those look really good together. Yeah, that looks really nice. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for this unboxing of the Skymarks American 787. I have, let's see, 3 more models coming in the mail in the next few weeks, so keep on a lookout for those, and keep on a lookout for more footage coming in the next few months as well. Take care guys, and I will talk to you later.